is one of the most important components that help us sustain life on Earth. And why am I saying so? It's simple. The food chain on the Earth begins with plants. Plants survive due to the availability of nutrients and water from the soil. That's the reason why soil is so important to all life forms. And not only this, but soil is also useful as a home for many living creatures. Soil is a home? Yes, it is. Soil helps many small creatures dwell in it. Apart from plant roots, it's home for several organisms. Right from the ants to the earthworms, there are so many organisms that spend most of their lives buried in the soil. Soil harbors not only plant roots, but also various animals. But if there are so many organisms living in soil, then won't they get harmed by each other's presence? And what about the rocks? We know that soil is also composed of rocks apart from minerals and nutrients. So where do the small creatures live amongst all these rocks? In order to understand how various organisms live in soil, we need to first understand the profile of the soil. Which means we need to understand how the different layers make up the complete soil. So here we have a cross-section of the different layers. How many layers can you spot in this cross-sectional view? There are principally 5 layers as we can see here. Each layer has sub-layers as well, but for now, we focus on only these 5 major layers. Each layer is also termed as the horizon. So the topmost layer is called the O horizon. The next comes A horizon, which is followed by B horizon, then C horizon, and lastly the R horizon. Let us look at each layer and its significance in the upcoming video.